In today's video, I'll be showing you how we can manage staff in our BYDO campus ERP. So we can add staff members by two ways. First is individual entries and second one is by importing files in bulk. So let's start first with individual entry. Go first in basic setup, navigate to manage staff, then click on add, filling in staff information here such as first name, last name, email, address, mobile number, which department it refers, teaching designation, date of birth, then marital status, gender, father name, mother name, current address. We can set permanent address same as current address. Then submit. After edit all details here, your staff will appear here. So we can view our staff member, can edit or inactivate our member also. Now let's take a look how we can import data. So before importing, make ensure that you have your staff information in CSV file with such details like first name, last name, email address, contact and any other fields that required in our ERP system. So let's start. Go in basic setup, then manage staff. Here we get an option to import. Choose file in your system, open. Then next the system will ask for mapping the columns that should match with the fields in this ERP system, because it will make ensure data is correctly placed in the system. Then next we'll proceed it. Here we get an error in our file, so you can get your errors. After checking your errors, then resolve, then again upload your resolved file here. Then again it will ask to map the fields with the ERP system. Proceed. Now we don't have any error, then we can confirm. Upload. Here is our file uploading. After proceed, all entries will appear here in our system. So is the process to upload individual staff entries and in bulk also.